The best solution for achieving a wheel flush fitment depends on various factors, including the specific vehicle and design aesthetic. We can get the wheel flush stance by installing wheel spacers, aftermarket wheels, custom fender flares, or suspension adjustment. The most cost-effective and the most common method is to install wheel spacers. Wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. This metal has good mechanical properties. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. Besides, the benefit of the plus design of BONOSS forged lightweight plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Turn on notifications, and as always, if you want to get the wheel spacer for your car, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day!